CyberOx.
Здравствуйте. Today on Perl tutorial number 3, we'll be talking about operators. And no, I will not be using the Russian accent. I just love the freaking Russians. God bless the Russians and America. I love them. Alright, so today we will be talking about operators in Perl number 3, right? So what it is, operators are basically operators. You know, you call up the program, you're like, hey, operator, I need you to add this, you know, pretty much just about it will. Alright, but don't do that. I wouldn't suggest it. They probably would. That'd be kind of interesting. Hello, how can I take your call? Yeah, I need you to add about 4 times 5. Okay, one moment. 20. Oh, cool, look at that. I don't think operators would actually add stuff. Alright, see, I'm getting sidetracked. Alright, let's go ahead and get down to it. Operators on Perl tutorial number 3. Simply, operators are like plus, I say plus, but I type equal. Plus, equal, minus, then, pretty much times, you know, stuff like that. Right there, those are called operators. So we are going to actually make a couple of operators and go from there. Let me crack out the big book of secrets, so I can actually put down all the operators. I really don't care to remember them all because I probably won't be using them anytime soon. But here we go. Yeah, we got quite an operators to overview. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, go ahead and type this in your Perl. The whole print new line. Go ahead and type a couple of those. Kind of make it look like mine, so you have enough room to see what's going on. So once you're done with that, we're going to create a couple of variables first. I'm going to set this one to 5 plus 5. Going to create a new variable and set it equal to 10 take away 5. Alright, so we're just going to go and start off with them 2 variables for right now. Now let's go ahead and print this stuff out. Print, and go ahead and type, or put the stuff in there, var, right? Now, again, always you kind of want to make a new line afterwards to, you know, basically give order and to organize it as well. Also, sorry for the background noise. I'm babysitting, so I locked her in the room. Nah, I'm kidding, she's playing. Alright, but anyway, let's go and hit run on these bees niche. And here we go. Now, I did var, which is 10, actually 5 plus 5 is 10. So as you see here, I called it out and it printed out 10. So there's that. Now, go ahead and add, or I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 for my next variable. And I'm going to run this one again. And now the next variable was 10 take away 5, and here it is 5. So that's how the adding and subtracting. Jeez, wow, I'm having the subtracting. Okay. Anyways, it's subtracting 10 from 5, or 5 from 10. I'm kind of brain dead today. Alright, so that's that. Alright, now let's do a new one. Let's make a new variable. We'll call it var3. Set it equal to 4. Now we're going to do, what does it look like? Okay, yeah. Just a forward slash, which means divide. 4 divided by 2. And it should darn well come out 2. If my math is right. If not, then I really don't like school. Don't want to go to school either. Alright, now go ahead and type in your variable stuff and the new line. Now let's go ahead and click on run. Oh, cool, I was right. Yeah, I'm not dumb. Yay! Wow, I shouldn't put my stuff down. And there we go. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Alrighty. And now, real quick, so you kind of understand, the new line, see how the 5 is above the 2? Well, if we didn't do that, it would come out 52 because we didn't put the new line, but we did. So now it looks like our first stuff was 5 and the next stuff is 2. Alrighty. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and make another variable. Keep scrolling down though. This one's going to be called var4, and this one's going to be multiplication equals 4, and you want to put the asterisk for multiplication. So 4 times 2 is 8, so we should get that, right? Print var4 new line. Go ahead and come over here, hit run on CMD, and 4 times 2 is 8 right here. So now that we see that 5, 2, and 8, let's go ahead and look at it real quick. Print var number 2, which is 10 take away 5, which is 5. Print var number 3, which is 4 times 2, 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and it's right here. And now print var 4 new line, which is var 4 is 4 times 2, which is 8. And as you see here they are, 5, 2, and 8. Now I'm starting to run out of room, so let's go ahead and delete all these, except that. Now let's create some more. Let's go ahead and do take away. I mean, might as well, you know. I mean, yeah, it's basic, but still. Var equal, whoa, my bad. Darn, I have to retype it. Oh no, I don't have to type it right. Yay. Alright, var equals, oh wait, we already did take away. Yeah, we already did. Nice, cool. Then let's go ahead and do modulus, might as well. Now modulus is like a remaining number, if you will. Like real quick, let's go ahead and do 4 divided by 5. Or you know what? Let's go ahead and switch that. 5 divided by 4, right? And of course, this is going to, mouse wasn't working. This is going to be an oddball thing, but let me go ahead and show you. Print. Now we're going to put in da4 new line. Make sure we always add the semicolons. Now let's go ahead and type in, or hit run. Now it's 1.25, right? Right here, 1.25. So 5 divided by 4 is 1.25. Alright, now if we just add the modulus, which is the percent sign, 5% 4, we go ahead and click on run that, and it just gives us the basic single number remainder, or the whole number, 1 instead of 1.5. So that's what the modulus do, and that is also an operator. And of course, this stuff will be used like for high out there programs, you know. All right, and last but not least, let's go ahead and do the incrementer. And this, I'm just gonna do this real quick because I didn't realize the video is almost 10 minutes long. But the var, or the incrementer, is it adds 1, right? And I'm just going to show you 1, and you can pretty much concept, you can do it with the rest, as far as adding and subtracting. Alright, so let's go ahead and make a new variable, call it 0. Alright, now we're going to print out var, but right before it we are going to set our variable var plus plus with a semicolon, and now instead of 0 it's going to be 1. See, and here we are now, 1. Oops, Windows just, or 7. Now it's 1 instead of 0. So if we go ahead and copy this and then just actually copy these 2 lines, oh, hey now. Alright, copy just these 2 lines, and we can actually go ahead and put them right under. It's going to come out 0 and 1. So let me go ahead and run it. Oh, my bad, 1 and 2. Alrighty, now if we just go ahead and take away this one it's going to come out 0 and 1 because it did not increment before the new increment. And as you see here, it's 0 and 1. Now you can do this with take away, like var minus minus. For I believe that's all it works on, is to take away and add one. Of course, this right here would be good for loops, stuff like that, if cases and stuff. So that's pretty much all the operators. There are some more, but I'm already at the 10-minute mark. Pretty sure you're tired of saying this. So yeah, that's about all the operators we covered. So far, let's go ahead and do a recap. We covered the plus, we covered the minus, equal. Well, actually, no, we didn't cover that one just yet. But we have also covered the multiplication, the modulus. Yeah. And then we also covered the incrementer and decrementer. I guess you could decrementer. I don't know. But yeah, we pretty much covered all those modulus, or all those operators, and you could pretty much use this in just about every variable you have. So there's actually some stuff out there I'm not telling you on purpose. So the reason why I'm not telling you certain things on purpose with the operators is because I want you to find out. But let me go ahead and give you a helping hand. You can do something like times and plus. Put it that way. So why don't you go ahead, go out there and do some playing around on Perl. Just put random stuff together, see what you come up with. It's always good to do just you know, shot in the dark. Let's go, you know. So, you know, it's always good just to take a gamble on programming, that is. I'm not saying, you know, go out there to Vegas, spend your whole life savings and hope the best, because I don't know. You know how they say the house always wins? Well, it kind of does. They're rigged. So, anyways, that's all the oh my god, I keep the adding, subtracting. I'm not gonna call it operators. Forget that. I'm not proper. If you want proper, go somewhere else. It is proper. I'm just gonna give you like it is. Damn it. That's all the adding, subtracting, multiplication, every stuff, and division, stuff like that. We also have to cover whatever. Alright, that's all the stuff that you can add, subtract, and stuff like that. I'm going to get out of here because I'm starting to get a little bit frustrated with this whole proper shit. Alright, so thanks for watching CyberOx as always. Have a good day, and God bless. Proper mic.